In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply textures to an object in Blender, a valuable skill for anyone looking to add depth and realism to their 3D projects. Let's dive into the process step by step to make sure you understand each component clearly. First, we'll begin by opening Blender. If you're new to Blender, you can launch it like any other app on your computer, whether you're using a PC or a Mac. Just make sure it's installed and you're good to go. Once you're in, you'll see your default workspace with a basic cube on the screen. Next, let's direct our attention to the right side panel, specifically to where the Material tab is located. Click on this tab to find a whole suite of options that will allow you to customize how your object looks. Materials in Blender are what give your object its color and texture, so this section is crucial for our task. Now, take a look under the Surface tab in this Material window. You should see a setting called Base Color. To the right of it, there's a little yellow dot. What you'll want to do is click that yellow dot. This allows you to change the object from just a solid color to something that can hold a texture, which is our ultimate goal. Under the Texture column, you'll have a choice. Here, you can select the type of texture you want to apply to your object. For this tutorial, let's choose the Image Texture option. This choice allows us to paste an image onto the surface of our object, perfect for adding detail and complexity. With your texture type selected, direct your gaze over to the right side panel again. You'll find an open folder icon, normally located beside the Image Texture option you just selected. Click on this icon to begin the process of choosing the image you want to use as your texture. Now, let's find that image. Navigate through your files until you locate the downloaded texture of your choice. The File Explorer will guide you through this step. Once you've found your texture file, it's time to click on it. This action will open the selected image, preparing it to be used as a texture for your object. Finally, we want to see the texture in all its glory. Head over to the Shader View tab in Blender, often found at the bottom of your workspace. Click on the Shaded Preview Mode button. Switching to this mode allows you to view the texture applied directly to your object, showing the final result of all your hard work, and there you have it. Your 3D object now has a texture that should appear under this view. That covers the basic steps of applying a texture in Blender, a foundational skill that opens up the door to countless creative possibilities. Happy modeling, and see you in the next video.